Okay guys, welcome back. This is your old pal Hondo from Hillbilly Tactical. We're doing another video on another monitor I got for basically replace my old HP monitor, which is kind of old and aging. We got the Acer SA3 series of basically budget monitor from Walmart. You can get this on walmart.com. I'll leave a link in the description down below. We'll also be testing it out as well, not on gaming, but it is VRB, and it's 120 refresh rate, 19 by 20 by 1080p, full HD resolution. It has IPS technology. Let's see here, Acer Vision Care RVRB1MS, and it is 120 refresh rate, so that's pretty good. Megahertz refresh rate. It does have a sort of a FreeSync to it. It also too, you could also move it up and down to adjust it, but you can't like flip it upside down or anything weird like that. But you know, it's a 24-inch monitor. You know, it's pretty good for what it is. Let's open the box up and see what we get inside. Got it unboxed. Let's see here. Got the monitor, the stand. It should be easy assembly. Got the it's all toolless assembly, very easy to assemble right here. You want to put this in the back of the monitor. Show you guys how to do that real quick. Try to do this one-handed without breaking my monitor, which it is pretty heavy compared to the on monitor that I reviewed. You flip it on its back like that, and you take the neck of this thing, and it should just clip in here, I guess, in theory. Goes in there like that and clips in like that. You see that, guys? Just clips in there like that, and you could adjust it up and down whenever you get around to it. And here you put the little mount in here like this, and well, I had to take it off cam, but it just snaps in there. It's all toolless, guys, and we got it all put together here, and there you guys go. 24-inch monitor. I have to clean it up a little bit because I had to lay it on the porch swing here. This is it's got built-in speakers. That's cool. My last one didn't have built-in speakers. The on didn't, and it comes with a HDMI cable you hook up in the back. I don't know how good this will be. I don't know how much refresh rate this thing has for my graphics card on my computer. We do have the little plug-in power adapter, 12-volt power adapter, and we get a nice little manual, which we don't really need. And okay, that's how you assemble it. And we're going to hook up this in the back and the HDMI cable to my computer, and give it a whirl and see how it works. Hey guys, moment of truth to see if the Acer works. And there you guys go. Turned on nice and easy. It's a little bit smudging on. I do need to clean it up a little bit. Kind of sits up a little bit higher than the on keyboard I got. And let's see if it works. Yeah, it's working now. Right here on the back, you guys can adjust the picture, HDMI and stuff right here. This is a color contrast if you wanted to adjust the color on it and stuff like that. OSD, systems, wide mode, auto source, quick start mode, blah blah blah, as you can tell, and mode standard, so you could switch through mode, HV, frequency, 60 hertz. Like if I wanted to go over here, if I can get this stupid thing to exit, for Pete's sakes. Again, let's see here, YouTube, go to my videos, because this is a 1080p, but it's supposed to be 120 refresh rate, so that's pretty good. Let's go to my channel, hertz rate. I go to one of my videos. I can't get struck on my own videos here. Let's blow this up a little bit. Check out the the frame rate here. We can go to 1080p, 720, 360, 144p or auto. So yeah, that's pretty good. It looks pretty good too. I actually like it better than my old HP monitor. But I'll figure out how to do dual screen here in a minute. So, but right now I'm just trying to do this quick video on this Acer monitor. I think I like it. It's pretty good so far. I don't know why it ain't doing dual screen with both of my monitors, but it was doing it on my other monitor, but I'll have to figure that out later. But other than that, guys, it's a wrap. I think it's a good buy for what you get. Now, finally got the other monitor to work, which is the on monitor, the 100 refresh rate monitor, and the Acer SA3 monitor works with that in combination. For my second monitor, it's a little bit higher on the top here, so you can't quite get it to like go and connect together. You can't raise it or lower it. You can only tilt it side to side. But yeah, I got both monitors working fine now. It does come with a 12 volt wall mount for it, and it does come with a HDMI cable with it as well. The Acer SA3 series of monitors, pretty good, guys. I like it. It works really well. Play 1080p gaming with it at 120 hertz refresh rate. As you can see, this is the Acer SA3 series. As you can see right here, it says Acer on it. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. And then it's like 99 bucks on walmart.com for the 120 hertz refresh rate. I think it's going to be good because my old monitor was only 75 and it couldn't handle the big beefy 8 GB graphics card I had in the back of there. The other one can, but my old HP just couldn't handle it anymore, and it kept flickering on and off. So, you know, I'd always get that weird flicker with it, but this one is stable. It's not flickering or anything weird like that. It could handle, a big beefy graphics card. If you're wanting to do some like light EA Sports gaming with it, you can. But yeah, this is just me showing off one of my videos. And 120 hertz refresh rate's pretty good for editing too, so you don't get too many blurry edits when you're editing videos and stuff like that, streaming, whatever. But for 99 bucks, man, get it. Don't take my advice from me, guys. Just go out and get the thing. It works really well. Alright, guys, take it easy. This has been your old pal Hondo. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe on another monitor review and video of the Acer SA3 series 120 hertz refresh rate 1080p monitor. Works pretty good. I got no complaints, no flickering, no weird mumbo majumbo with it. Alright, guys, take it easy. It's been your old pal Hondo. Hondo out.